I'll be on my grind, no flex, no shining.
This is the beginning of our 98 VR6 shop projects. We're going to get started with the GTI first to keep things simple. Right now I got Mk3 Andrew coming with his awesome tow rig to give us a lift to Dziedzic Volkswagen Parts. Chris is a Volkswagen VR6 expert, and he's going to be knocking out all the major maintenance jobs on the GTI for us. Mk3 Andrew, he's had a lot of cool cars over the years, and as you can see, he has a hell of a tow rig. And if you're local to us and you need lowered car transportation, definitely hit him up. One of our Mk3 May Day 2026 feature cars at our vendor booth. We'd like to welcome Chris and Noelle to the channel. In this video, we'll start off with going for a ride in his Supercharged VR6 GLI, followed by a test drive of the GTI before Chris cracks this thing open for maintenance. And we talk about some of the things that have been on my mind before we get started. But 97,000, I don't think they were ever done.
No.
But the clutch was done, so maybe.
Clutch feels great.
Yeah, the clutch is strong.
Clutch is real good. Shift's beautiful too. Same spot every time.
Yeah, flat bottom's cool.
Yeah. I had one Momo flat bottom out. For some reason I didn't like it. I think because it had stuff bolted on it and shit like that. It was weird.
Took me forever to get that.
Oh, man. She drives good.
Yeah, it's not bad. You know, it's smooth.
Yeah, it's
It needs, you know, the upper strut mounts and all that kind of typical Mark III shit. The tires rub a little bit, I think, because of that. If it had new coilovers and all those suspension components, I don't think it would rub so bad.
Right.
But you can hear it.
My GLI rubs in the back.
Yeah, a lot of drone.
Right.
But people say this is droney.
Yeah. This thing is smooth. Oh, I haven't driven an Mk3 this smooth in the longest time.
Yeah, that's like, sometimes I get mad at her, but you know, then you go for a ride and you're like, you could stay.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna hold on to you a little bit longer.
And that's what Dirty South Joe says all the time. He's like, dude, you ain't gonna find another example like that.
See that rod on the side of this guy's house? I want to see if I can get that for a couple $100. Plowing everything on it.
Yeah.
I want to get a few quads.
The main reason that I didn't drive it up here is because of the wheels.
Yeah.
But Jersey's good with the potholes usually, not like fucking Pennsylvania.
Nah, Pennsylvania's bad. Best roads I've ever been on was fucking Myrtle Beach when we were out there. Fucking, and me and Matt Unick, he had the fucking wide body car. We were fucking every road known to man to fucking Myrtle Beach. No fucking problems.
Yeah, like this is my favorite thing to do is back roads.
Check this shit. Check this thing out to your left. Fucking badass.
Yeah.
I love that. Then we'll have a heart attack when she goes over it. Clutch feels perfect.
The supercharged because it's like
there.
Yeah. And you know, turbo car, you hit it and you know, but when it comes on you're like, holy fuck.
Yeah. I saw one, I think it was this house.
Look at that garage. Fucking sweet.
Yeah, I don't think I ever came down this far. You got that garage from selling this firewood?
I doubt it. Yeah, it rubs a little bit.
That garage is sick. What has he got in there? They're on top of that mountain. Oh, that garage is nice. I need something like that in my life.
Yeah, so I don't know. obviously the clutch was changed.
Yeah.
I don't know about if it has LSD in it.
We're gonna find out when we go.
Yeah, we'll find out.
That came out. It was nice.
And you know, so like I had to cut it off somewhere. You know, fuck putting the LSD. You know, it has it, and I get lucky. That's cool.
Right.
But
right.
if it don't have it, I just got to wrap it up.
Yeah, yeah. Because if you were supercharged or turbo, you need the motherfucker.
Yeah.
You know. Do I like if you're driving this thing every day in the rain? Safety wise, yes, you want that diff because the motherfucker just gets up and goes out of its own way.
Yeah.
You know, everyday driver, you don't really fucking need it.
Yeah, and then, you know,
if you had a problem with the trans, thing shifts like fucking butter.
Yeah, I think the linkage could maybe use a little adjustment.
Yeah.
I wish it had a short shifter in it, but again, like it just needs the maintenance done, and you know, if the clutch isn't bad, I'm just not going to touch the clutch. And
I mean, it feels good, it's not slipping, but when we pull it apart, we're obviously going to see the clutch.
Yeah, and you know, I downshifted it, like rev matched it a couple of times.
Slip on you.
Yeah, so you know, who knows what the flywheel will look like, and all that shit. So we saw that. Yep. You know, I never really ripped on it. I didn't really. I was always worried about the chain flying apart.
Yeah, that'll take a while. It'll be like.
Yeah, it don't sound that bad, but the clutch seems strong.
Yeah, clutch does seem strong.
Yeah, my dad hates that clutch.
Yeah, it's fucking they're so
but
soft.
You know, it's that kind of car.
Right.
High revving, all motor.
Hell yeah. Oh, she's smooth. Makes you want another Mk3.
So yeah, no diff it is.
Yeah, no real.
But we'll get into that because I have a diff, and I was debating on, you know, making the hatch, but the performance stuff will be on the other car. Make the Jetta kick some ass.
Exactly.